What's up guys, in this video I will guide you on how to set a password for your Nintendo Switch 2. So if you want to restrict certain users from going to your Nintendo Switch 2 or playing certain games on your Nintendo Switch 2, this is basically how you want to set a password to restrict others. So first things first, you want to head over to the settings of your Nintendo Switch 2 at the bottom over here, select on the settings icon, and then you want to scroll down until you get to parental controls. Select that and then just scroll down and click on parental controls settings. Select that just like so. At this point you want to go ahead and click on the if you don't have a smart device, just select that and then click on the next button over here. Now what you want to do is to come over to the restriction level, select that and then just scroll down until you get to custom. Go ahead and select that. Now scroll down again and click on the restricted software, just like so, and then you just want to scroll all the way down until you get to the software rated for ages 3+. Just go ahead and select that and all the software on your Nintendo Switch 2 will be locked once you're done setting the password, just like so. And then you want to just scroll down and then click on the next button on the right hand side. And now you want to proceed to set your password for your Nintendo Switch 2. We are basically going to be using the Joy-Cons of the Nintendo Switch 2. So you want to carefully choose your password. It can actually be a 4-digit character. So using your Joy-Cons, you just want to go ahead and select 1, 2, 3, 3, 4. So I'll just go ahead and use 1, 2, 3, 4 and then just click on the A button, which is actually the OK button. Now you want to go ahead and enter your password again. Now the password has been set for our Nintendo Switch 2. At this point you can go ahead and click on OK, then just go over to your Nintendo Switch 2 now, and as you can see from the top over here, the password restriction is actually turned on at this particular point. So if you try to play any game on your Nintendo Switch 2, you can literally see that you cannot play this software. If at any point you want to unlock the Nintendo Switch 2 by entering your password, just go ahead and click on the parental controls icon at the top over here and then proceed to enter your password. And just like so, the parental control password will be automatically disabled. So at this point, you should now be able to play games on your Nintendo Switch 2 without any restriction. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.